This is an iPhone 16 vibrating motor replacement. If you're looking for a video of how to take off the back, just please click up on the top right here and I'll show you how to take off the back first before you do this repair. Grab your PH000 screwdriver bit and connect it onto your iFixit screwdriver. Perfect. Now we can remove these 4 PH000 screws holding down the vibrating motor. I'm going to introduce you guys to today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Cell Helmet, and this is their wireless charger, 15 watt, and the wireless charging stand. Check it out on my description below. Thanks, Cell Helmet, for the great charger. All right, got those 2 screws removed, so we can remove this bracket. I recommend using bended tweezers, and the screws won't magnetize to your screwdriver right, so you'll want to keep those bended tweezers handy to take out the screw, especially this one on the right. It always gets stuck on the edge because the magnets that run the Taptic Engine or vibrating motor cause them to demagnetize and not be ones that can magnetize to your screwdriver. Use your plastic spudger, the flat end, to disconnect the vibrating motor connection, and then you can grab your bended tweezers and lift out the vibrating motor. Here's our new Taptic Engine or vibrating motor, and we're just going to toss it in right here. I'm just going to throw it in. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Throw it in. Throw it in. Oh, I made it. I got it in. Tapped it in. Perfect. Taptic Engine. And there. Well, we connected it. Perfect. All right. Now we can screw it all back together and give it a good test. I'm going to show you how to put it all the way back together in this video. You'll have to click on this next video to get to how to put the back on the iPhone 16. So then you can successfully do this repair, and then I don't have to put the back on the phone multiple times throughout all these videos I'm making for you guys on how to fix your iPhone 16. It's such a great phone. I love it.